Hello, my name is Gabriela, and with my partners Jaylee and Angel, we presented our project. Our project called MindQuest, and we doing systems in the class of Havapu and AI. Our problem situation is how actually the teenagers we have a lot of social pressures, academics, and familiars that have a lot of frustrations, stress, and anxiety, and this can cause a lot of mental problems of mental health of yes, mental health. And we have this project to maybe make a tool to can use for manage your emotions and feel better for this.
Okay, our project is made in VS Code. VS Code is a program when you use wh- when you use any program language. In our case, we use Java, and our project return in HTML. Well, our project start with this part. This part is the create user. I think that the create user helps to save and have a progress in our app and have a better experience. In our case, we have our own user. For we can show you the our app and what is the function.
The first part of our app is exploring. Exploring is how do you felt, and you can use these emotions to register. And when you register, you fold the ball, and when you fold the ball, you can clean, and you have a visual way to see how do you register, how do you felt, and for example, if you feel bad, if you feel happy, angry, scary, you have the option to register these emotions and also change the background color.
Uh, the next part is the diary. In the diary, you have an space where you can write how you felt in the day, uh, and then the entry is saved with the text that you write, the detected emotion, the date, and the hour.
The activities part, you can find are a quick activities that we can put uh, in the necessity of a moment of collapse. Later, you can find the information and activities about the emotions that we can't work in this app. The information, how you feel when you how do you feel when you think that you felt this emotion, and activities for work this emotion.
Next, next we have the mini games part. We have linked with another websites. We have puzzles, memory, and coloring, and we use this to one have the facility to access this or this tool for enter the app. What? For example, if I feel very bad, why I do? I enter to this app, I register, and I also have activity to maybe distract my mind of my feelings, or have another time, another way to how processing this and how manage this and why this is this important. And which is um, easy to use because it's very handy if you enter this app and have this part.
And this is the progress of emotion through the week. Uh, it in this part, it is showing the amount of times that you felt an emotion. Uh, this emotion is what you registered in the explore part.
In the emotion reinforcement, we use teachable machine. Teachable machine is a page when you can put a places and return a final model. Thanks for that model. If you made an something expression on the camera, this model return a emotion that the thing that you can feel about of the expression that you made on the camera.
Health is an small informative part. It shows some helplines in Colombia for when you want to talk to someone or in serious cases.
The next part is the profile of your user. This part appears thanks for the user that you create before. In this part, you can put your personal information like your name or your date of birth or image that you create that it's a card with the app and your emotions. I don't know.
And the last part is Sisifo. Sisifo is our chatbot, and it's important because it's a pre-trained model that you can enter and tell how do you feel. For example, I am very happy, I'm have anxiety, or how do you feel? And CC4 made the recommendations or have a windows to why do you can enter or maybe what activities you can do for these feelings. For example, I say if you have anxiety, you can play mini games of calm or have activities of anxiety like the respirations or registering the day. This is all MindQuest for this moment. For future, we have the idea to maybe make CC4 not like a chatbot pre-training, maybe make CC4 like IA, and this is all we have. We think it's very important, this project, more than for us or for the work that we have for this. It's very important because it's a way to preparing this type of tools on the digital tools that we have for made integral persons and maybe make us feel better for the life. Thanks for watching.